Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you add emergency contacts on your OTS Banco map. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, click here on account, just click on it. When you click here on account, it's going to take you to this list and all you have to do, just click here on profile, click on it. When you click on profile, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, just go down, come here to contact, click here on edit. When just click on edit, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, you come here to emergency contacts, add here contact name and here country code. Then you add here phone number. So then you go down, you click here on save, then it's going to save with you. So that's all you have to do to add your emergency contacts. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.